This is the Romanian deadlift single leg with an unbalanced load. An unbalanced load could either be the weights are offset, where your lighter weight is in your non-working leg and your heavier weight is in your working leg, or it could be that the weight is in only one hand, the working leg, or it could even be that the weight is in one hand, but it's the non-working leg hand. Lots of different variations. We'll make sure that it's clear in the exercise description. So from here, grab our weight, stand up. Okay, lots of different things we could go over here, but let's go over the fundamentals. In an RDL, or single leg or otherwise, the main thing we're focusing on is whichever foot is pushing into the ground, that is the hip we're really focusing on pushing back and then up. Obviously, the hip is not going to go very high up, but that effort and intention of pushing the hip up is going to help you load the hamstrings in the way we're desiring to. And then you'll push through the ground in order to generate and create the energy to then stand up from. We want to emphasize, you only stand up by pushing through the ground. Nothing else brings you up. Okay, so we showed offset. Now we'll show this one. Hips hinge back. Insert a point. Hips are going to start to really try to push up. We are not locking out the knee. We're just pushing the hip up. Good. We're not reaching for the ground. We're just pushing the hip up. At a certain point, you're going to hit your wall, push through the foot to stand up. And then the third option for where the load is in this movement is going to be in the opposite hand, which is going to make it easier to put weight on that other foot. But we want all the weight in this foot. So here is how we're going to get the weight in that foot. We're here. Other than picking up this back foot to make sure it's unloaded, we're going to reach this kettlebell or the weight or the hand. As you hinge at the hip, you're going to reach it towards the toes of your working foot. Hip up, and then push through the foot to stand back up. So, with those three options, give them a go, and we'll see you next time.